Hello, this is Chris Yost at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Tuesday, June 12th, 2024. Behind me, newly arrived, is our brand new, all new 2024 Cherokee Mini Loft 20OG park trailer. We're showing the outside, show the inside, see what you guys think. Well, first of all, there's a beautiful picture right there. Look at that. Mini home for the campground, right there. Let's look over there. Woo! 81 degrees, Duluth, Minnesota. Granted, there's some storms that might be coming later, but for Duluth guys, oh, this is awesome. So here it is, our very first, with the patio on the back, 20OG Timberwolf Mini Loft. Even comes with a leash latch for hooking up the pets. Tankless on-demand water heater, outside shower for spraying yourself off, or the pets or the kids, whoever's with you. This window's up there. You do have some stabilizer jacks right here to crank down. And I think I just missed two. Yep, can't forget this. LP Quick Connect right there. In case you have your own Blackstone grill, Coleman grill. Hook up whatever you want and cook outside. Two 30-pound LP tanks, we fill those. We include a brand new Deep Cycle 27 series battery right there on the tongue. We are family owned. Bullion RV, 70 years this year. No corporate games. Everything included, including orientation when you purchase through us. Those beautiful windows over there. Jump the gray and black tank right there. This is prepped for the new Lippert ladder right up there in case you want to get one of those collapsible ladders. A couple more jacks up here on the front for stabilizing. Even though you might, if you get to the lake or the campground, you might tier this with some cinder block. Look at this awesome little patio deck area. Nice solid steps here. Look at radio. Little lights incorporated there as well. Blast the stereo out here, play your favorite music just to irritate your neighbors at the lake. Here we go inside. Whew, check this out. Two ducted air conditioners on this one. You got a sofa here that folds out to sleep a couple people if you want. Don't forget about the zebra shades on the windows. This one actually comes with a flat screen TV. Look at this, is nice too. You can put these here, stools, flip this up, have a little conversing area if you want, place to eat. Cell phone chargers, monitor panel, all your button switches right there. So, what should we do first? Should we go up first? Sure, let's go up first. Oh, don't forget ceiling fan, in case you want to open these windows here and get some nice cross ventilation. If you're anti-AC. Oh, look at this. Woo! Look at the view. There's Highway 53. Hopefully that's a nice lake or campground versus a major highway, but it's great for us. So up here you've got a bed and a little bunk mattress over there. So a couple adults and a kid or two up here. You do have the fireplace here to put out some heat, so that's a secondary heater up there. And of course the air is ducted up here as well, because boy, I tell you, it is warm here today. It's just nice too. Well, except the kids might decide to throw something at you into the kitchen, but other than that, I'm going to slowly make my way and turn around here. Nice view there. On the other side, so once again, prepped for a Lippert ladder. You can buy one of those, use that for more sleeping, use it for storage. It can be an attic. There's another bed there if you want. Make our way down. Lots of nice storage. Microwave, big fridge. Got your oven here, 3-burner range. Got your cutting board. Roll-up sink cover, all in one sink. Do it that way. All wearing drawer glides. And of course you gotta have a dishwasher in your RV tiny home. Washer dryer. Pantry with an ice maker. Put that somewhere else if you want, obviously. Whoop, just take a little look right there as we're going into the master bath and bedroom. Actually, it's the main bath. Nice big shower with a seat for the ladies to shave their legs. as my sales manager Andy Johnson would say. Got a pocket door to close off the toilet area. You have storage in here. I know it's a little tough to see, sorry about that, guys. You got a nice big sink with a medicine cabinet. But back here, another pocket door, main bedroom. His and her reading lights, cell phone chargers on both sides. Nice windows, of course, you get cross ventilation, but there is air in here as well, thank goodness. This here will flip up. More storage there. Once again, nice big windows. But if you need to, you've got the fabric shades to close that off. It is prepped for a TV here. The TV antenna is wired right to there in case you want to add a bedroom TV. And once again, the pocket door to close this area off. So technically 2 there. 2 there, 4, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or tell everybody it just sleeps 2 and they're not invited, that's fine as well. But with a nice open or high ceilings, it feels so much more open. Oh, don't forget, for those who really want it, there's your wine rack. You can always shove your rifles in there too, that would work. Especially up here in the Northland. Yeah, if someone wants a very, very inexpensive tiny home like RV, this is it. Now guys, just so you know, we're up front here. We don't play games or mislead anybody. This is not, there's no dual pane windows. This isn't made for beyond 3 seasons. If you get to freezing, you got to get the water out of this thing. Even with the enclosure underneath. But winter in Florida, summer in Minnesota, gosh, you can go almost May through October in something like this. You've got a lake lot, yeah, just drop this thing right on that. Got yourself a nice little tiny home. Once again, this is Chris here at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. For those of you who don't know where Duluth, Minnesota is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior, or about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. I've been here 23 years. I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business. We are family owned. Once again, no hidden fees, no games at all. Come and pick this thing up. It's available. Go camping now. Bring it to your site. If you have any questions or if you have any interest in this at all, feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-393-1472. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that every time we post something new, you'll know exactly what we have available. Stay safe, stay positive, and happy camping.